Hello friends, today I'm gonna do my toes after a very long time. I'll keep them simple because I don't do usually and also I don't like heavy toes. So let's start the process with base coat. I've grown my nails to get these done because once I said in my old videos that I will do these once in 6 months and I don't know how many months have been passed out for this video. After apply the base coat, now I'm removing the sticky layer with acetone. I'm showing you only one side and doing the other one in off camera because every nail artist knows that what pain you feel when you are doing your toes. My leg is getting numb every second because I don't have the habit of sitting in this position and bend forward to get this done. But today I have to do this by any chance. I'm applying this green shade which is not so much dark and not light at all. I love green color so I thought I should do these with green. Now I'm applying a thin layer first and then cure it for like 30 seconds. After that I take good amount of gel and cover the first layer completely to make it like solid green with no transparency. You can take any shade you want. I like this so I'm working with this one. I thought I should add some glittery kind of things but then I realized that I have to do my both toes. There ain't no way of adding such complications. Keep it simple. Because I do hand nails and usually do nail art only on my left hand, so there I can be like I should add this, I should add that. But here at this time I be like I should skip this, I should skip that. So both of them are done with green shade and now let's apply this new top coat which I bought recently. It's from the Nail Wine. You can find all products in the description. This is actually good. Now let's jump into the nail charms, which is my favorite part. Hold on. I'm not going to add bunch of these because I don't have space on my nail surface to put these randomly. I have small toes. I think the bigger flowers can't be fit on this nail surface, so it's better to go with small ones. I'm using base coat to stick these charms. I found this is the best option for these kind of charms, but if you stick the 3D sculpted charms on your nails, then go for strong glue gel. This is the final look. I filmed this in natural light and I love this very much. Hope you love my nail art. See you again. Bye.